How to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. For that, you can go ahead and access DisneyPlus.com or even go ahead and do so from your Amazon profile. For now, let's head over to DisneyPlus.com for that. So once you are logged in, you should be finding this particular interface. Look out for your profile in the top right corner, and a menu appears on your screen like this. Now from the given menu, you may select the option called account and click on it. After you do so, you will be taken to the space where you can manage your account details and your subscription as well. So look out for the section called your plans and billing and go ahead and click on it. And when you do, it will show you your subscription details here. So you can look out for your subscription detail that is currently running. And right at the very last option, you can find a section called cancel subscription. So just go ahead and find it up and click on it. Click on cancel subscription. And once you do so, you can go ahead and select a pause. You can schedule a pause, or you can directly look out for the option called continue to cancel and click on it. After that, it will basically try to keep you up, but you can, if you are already sure that you want to cancel, you can click on cancel subscription. And there you go. Now your subscription has been canceled, and you can give a reason why you canceled, but that is an optional thing. So if you'd also like to cancel a Disney Plus subscription, you can follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.